I'm Christina from Styrok. I know that choosing the perfect material to finish the exterior facade of a building can be a challenge. Aesthetics, cost, durability, and ease of installation are all important considerations, but sometimes they conflict. Traditional materials like natural stone and modern alternatives like stucco and precast, while offering certain benefits, also have their disadvantages. We didn't want to compromise. We imagined a better way to build. A solution that would combine the most desirable aspects of existing materials, the aesthetics and durability of stone or precast, with the lightweight, insulating, cost-effective properties of stucco. Our hybrid solution is Styrok, a collection of pre-finished architectural cladding and accents in a class of its own. Styrok's hybrid technology combines the most desirable aspects of existing material into one superior cladding solution. To learn more about Styrok and how to install over new or existing construction, contact us today.